So Kat is in her studio creating more of her inspiration kits, and I thought I'd ask her to talk to you about that a moment.
So my inspiration kits are all antique bits. So pages from books, old postcards, and antique ribbons. All of my ribbons are old. And all of these pieces, you can either use the original or you can photocopy these images and then use them for something else. And of course the pages you can use for all kinds of things in your artwork and just make some unusual, wonderful things. Making some kits.
And where can they find these?
On my blog, go to Giglio Shop.
Okay, I'll post the link.
Yay, ciao for now.